Hey everybody, this is Clint. This is just a really quick basic tutorial on just some of the basic features of Read and Write for Google and Equatio. So a little bit about that. This is a software program, if you've read the blog post, that is available now to all of our students in grades K through 12. For our students in grades 5 through 12 who have a Google account, they'll just log in with their Google account to be able to access the software. In Chromebooks, it'll just automatically show up. So if kids get into Google Docs, they'll see this puzzle piece, they'll also see this puzzle piece here, and then this symbol right here. If you're on a Windows device, if students click on the three dots right here and go to Settings, if you see I'm here, I'm signed in, it'll also prompt you to sign in if you're not signed in. Once you're signed in with your Albert account, you'll be able to access this. Also works that way for teachers, and for our students in grades K through 4, I'll be sending those teachers an email to show you a generic account that you can log into with a Chromebook for students to be able to see those features as well. So let's just talk a little bit about enough just to get our feet wet using this program. So I have here a Google Doc about Ben Franklin. So if you see right here when I have a Google Doc, I'm now going to have this little puzzle piece right here. If I click that, then all of these features will come back. And in some more blog posts we'll go over them, but I just want to show you just a couple of the basics today. So if I click the play button, then it's going to start playing the text for me.
Benjamin Franklin FRSE January 17th, 1706 OS.
Okay, so it'll play the whole thing. Now if you notice right here it highlighted, and I also have some highlight options here so students can go in and click things and then be able to highlight it. So then it turns that yellow. One of the other few things to show you just the first part of this is that there is a dictionary and also a picture dictionary. So if students have words they don't know or new to them, they can double click on the word and click on the dictionary option, and then it'll play that. They can listen to that.
A person who writes books or who wrote a book. My favorite author.
And then for some of our kids who might not know exactly what an author is after they've listened to that, there's also a picture dictionary where if they click on that, it'll show a picture of that. So that's just enough to get you going. It also works for Docs. It also works on Google. It also works in Google, but it also works on web pages as well. So this tool also works on web pages as well. So if I'm on a web page, you see I have the puzzle piece right here. So if I click right there, and now I have the play feature too. So it'll read everything on the web page.
Results. All English, Spanish. Suggested search.
But then also I have available the screenshot reader, and we'll talk about that later. But basically you just click on that and you can highlight what exactly it is that you want it to be able to read. So that is Read and Write. You can contact me by email, cwinter@albert.k12.ga.us, or